Good morning. No fishing today. I got to tend to my lime tree. This is the $10 investment that I bought about 3 years ago. And now it just keeps getting so many limes. So I'm going to pick some today and take to work. And we're going to love on these limes. Now look at this. Look at this. This is a lime. And if you leave it on the tree long enough, it'll turn into a really sweet lemon. So I spent $10 on this tree. I'm getting ready to plant my collard greens here. And I'm going to pull these limes here. They're good to put on steak. Not steak, but they're good to put on fish. Lime is good to put on fish. You can make you some key lime pie. Just bear with me. Look at this. This is a lime. Look how big it is. And it turns sweet. I mean, it's like a sweet lemon. So when you go into the store, the limes are so small. Look at this one here. This is still big for a lime in the grocery store. But here in Florida, it rains a lot. So if you leave your lime on your tree, see how this one is? If you leave your lime on the tree, you get a nice big sweet lemon. So I'm going to pick the ones. I'm gonna go all the way and pick the ones. There's so many. Just don't want to get ate up. Look, here's another one. That's nice and big. So the purpose of this today is to tell you that you need to plant something. You need to plant something. I don't care if you have a flower pot or if you have something you can put in a windowsill. You should use something that you can eat. The really teeny small limes in the grocery store, they cost like 25 cents. But now this is a really good sweet one here. Look at this one here. Excuse the noise. My neighbor is over there trying to do something with his car early in the morning. But stay focused. Look at the limes. Look at these. They're so good. They're so sweet. I picked off this tree a dozen times. I'm gonna have to get my ladder and get some more, because there's a delicate spot. You can get them really sweet, and then you can wait and they too sweet and they start to turn. So today I'm gonna be picking this. This is only one tree. Look at here, full of limes. I'm gonna let that one stay. But I have some more that I wanna try to get before I get scratched up. Get my ladder. So the moral of the story today is plant something. So you plant something, you saved yourself some money, and you can share it with your neighbors and your coworkers. Have a great day, everybody. Look, this is what it looks like. Look at this. Nice and sweet. Looks like an orange, but it's a lemon lime. It's actually a lime, but I let my limes stay longer so they get bigger and they're sweeter. So this is actually almost 2.5 limes if you was to get a small lime and cut it. But in the neighborhood, farming in your own backyard, these are Florida limes. This is a lime that you would normally see right here. Actually, this is bigger than what you would see in the grocery store. If you saw it in the grocery store, you'd grab it. Okay? This right here you would think is an orange, but it's a lime. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.